Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devin and thank you for coming to visit. Please be sure to subscribe and to hit the bell notification right next to it so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So today I'm going to be attempting to do a chunky flat twist out, and when I mean chunky, I mean 5, maybe 6 flat twists on my entire head. So I'm going to be testing that out to see how it goes. You know, if it's a banger, it's going to be great, and if it's not, this isn't a tutorial. But my hair is already washed, conditioned, and deep conditioned, and I already have my leave-in in the shower, and I used the Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna get started by taking down my bun here. Well, first things first, I'm actually gonna go ahead and separate my hair into the section I think I want to do. I think I want to do a side part, and I think I am gonna settle on 6 big flat twists on my head. My hair is now all sectioned off. I have 3 braids for like the front section, and then I have 3 braids on the back section. So I'm gonna start with the smallest one right here. For products today, I'm gonna be using the coconut curling cream, my homemade oil mixture right here, and then lastly, I'm gonna be using the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. I'll be using all of these products for my hair today. Oh, as well as some warm water, which I'm about to spray on my head right now. So my hair is relatively still pretty wet, but when I do flat twists, even if they're small, I like my hair to be soaking wet when I do them. Up first is the coconut curling cream. I'm gonna seal that in with my oil. And before I get to the gel, I am going to brush this section out completely. And with that section thoroughly detangled, it's time for Aunt Jackie. And I am going to brush that out one more time. With everything in there and everything all nice and rubbed in, I'm going to just do a very simple flat twist. And I'm actually going to start it up at this corner and twist it back down like this. Also, while doing this flat twist, because it is so big, I am going to be paying special attention to make nice clean sections as I flat twist it. So that way when I take it down, I will also have those nice clean sections, and it'll be easy and it'll be less prone to frizz. Also, I'm taking this section and twisting it away from my face, and when I get to the other side, I will twist that section towards my face. Now that I have my ends, I'm going to brush them out one more time, because the key to a perfect flat twist out is making sure that your hair is as smooth as it can possibly be as you are doing it. And now I'm going to finish this off with a regular 2-strand twist. And then we're going to be sure to coil them up so they curl up on their own. Just like that. And I'm going to take this twist, I'm going to pin it on this side over here for right now, because I like my hair to be stretched when I do twist outs. So that is how I'm going to be doing the rest of my hair. guys, so it has been 2 days and I have been periodically sitting under my dryer for an hour at a time randomly. So I am praying that this is dry. I'm not taking it down. It has stayed pinned up like this for the entire 2 days because I want my hair to be stretched. So we're gonna go ahead and take this down right now and pray for the best. Ooh. Let us all say a quick prayer. Amen. I'm gonna take this OGX oil. I'm gonna use that to coat my hands as I'm taking my hair down, just so I don't have a ton of frizz. Okay, we're looking very promising. We're looking very promising, guys. Ooh, child. We are dry. Yes. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and, I think this looks really good. I'm gonna go ahead and separate this flat twist because I like to separate as I go. Ooh, yes, I'm excited. I low-key didn't expect this to work. But okay, so that's looking good. That section is looking good. Alright, so I'm gonna keep taking these all out and I will check back with you guys when everything is done and I start to actually like fluff my hair. That middle one did not set right, unfortunately, so it doesn't look that great. Oh, I had a feeling. Yeah, this was looking really promising in the beginning, and it's starting to look less promising the more I take it down. Done. And that one's still wet. It actually looks really cute in the front, but it is still wet. It's still damp. It's just damp right up here in the front. So I'm gonna go sit under my dryer probably another 30 minutes now that it's out, and then I will come back to separate and fluff and we'll see how this comes together. Okay, so I went and actually sat in the dryer for about 20 minutes and my hair is completely dry now. So now I am gonna go ahead and separate and fluff this all out. For the sake of being transparent, this middle is looking real jankety. It's looking real jankety. I'm gonna show y'all the back, but you've been warned. Okay. In all honesty, it probably doesn't even look that bad, but it just feels like, you know, when you can feel when there's no definition in your hair? That's how it feels. It feels like it's just a frizz ball right in the center of my head. I still like my hair. I do like the way it turned out. It is soft. It is movable. I do like all the products I use, especially like I've never used the Aunt Jackie, which I can't find right now. It's over there. Okay, whatever. I've never used the Aunt Jackie's gel for an actual twist out. I've only used it in my mini twist video. So I do like that gel. I do feel like there's some hold to my hair. I feel like this would last me a good 4, 5, 6 days before I had to turn it into a puff or a bun. So I do really like my hair. I believe that's everything. I can't stop looking at it. I actually, like, the more I look at it, the more I like it. Like, the more I like the kind of carefree, big hair. Like, you know, I like the vibes. I like the vibes of this hair. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like on it and comment down below anything you would like to comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out. It would really mean a lot to me. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.